Hi everybody, this is Lynn from Mama's Got Plans, and this week I thought I would do something a little bit different. I've done this once before, but I thought I would do a plan with me in my Pocket TN. This is a Foxy Fix pocket size number 2. I don't even know what color this is. I'm so bad at that kind of stuff. But I currently have it set up with, this is a Planner Society kit. I don't remember what month it is. And the insert that I use the most is this one here. This is the week on 2-page grid from Sew Much Crafting. I absolutely love it. It's not super functional for me. It's honestly just something fun that I do after the week is past. I use a lot of my leftover or like samplers that I get from sticker shops when I order, and I kind of just fill it out. So I thought I would flip through it because I'm actually almost done with this one. I'm going to be switching over to my new one. So I thought it would be a good time to do a plan with me in it for the last week or so, and then yeah, go from there. So first I'll just do a quick flip through. Again, this is the Sew Much Crafting week on 2-page grid horizontal in the pocket size. So you can see here, this is usually what I do is I always start with kind of a full box because on the blank ones, let me find a blank one. This spot up here is always empty, and then it starts with Monday through Wednesday and then Thursday through Sunday. So I always kind of use a full box here or something there to kind of determine the color scheme for the week. So this was a full box from Avalon and 9th, and then you can see I just used, this is a lot of leftovers from previous kits that I have used. There's like some, I think there's like Scribble Prints Co. in here. Gosh, I don't even know what else. And then like sometimes I'll use my washi. This is like Simply Gilded Bow washi just to kind of spruce it up a little bit. This week, again, this is from Avalon and 9th. But you can see this was a special Simply Gilded washi from one of her first sub boxes. But you can see like I've got some, these are like from Bubba Bear Studios. Yeah, so all different things in here. This week I had 2 full boxes. I know this was like a leftover from a Lily and Miko kit that I had used. And again, this is, you know, I buy full kits all the time. But if you've seen the way that I plan in my Erin Condren, I am a white space planner. So I always have leftovers. And so I kind of just keep them. And these were a lot of leftovers from a Bubba Bear Studio kit that I had used. And then I mixed some things in there. Like I can tell this one is from Planner Bell Press. And probably these are from Little Miss Papery. This one's from Little Miss Papery and stuff. This full box, again, is from Avalon and 9th. Avalon and 9th has great sheets that are just full boxes, and I love using those to kind of tie together a week that I don't have a full box for. So you can see that's what I did here. Oops, sorry about that. Let me shut off my ringer. And like this, with the little bear faces, that is so cute. This is from Avalon and 9th as well, from one of her kits. I love that she uses little icons for her checklists. They're so cute. This was a full box from a blank slate stickers kit that I had used, but I can see that there's lots of Hello Petite paper leftovers in here as well. This, again, is from a Bubba Bear Studios kit that I had used, one of the marbled kits, which was so beautiful. And then just lots of different leftovers. This is from a Little Miss Papery kit. Her kits are so full, and I get one of like her mystery box, so I always have so many leftovers from Little Miss Papery, but I love them because I just think that they're so, I don't want to call them simple, but they are. They're just very simple and easy to pull into other spreads, so I absolutely love that. And then this full box was, again, I think this is from Avalon and 9th. Some more Simply Gilded washi here. Yep, so you can just see all different things here. This is from Blank Slate Stickers with a bunch of leftovers. Like this is, I believe this is Little Miss Papery, or it might be Blank Slate. But that's this week. This one is Avalon and Ninth. This was a leftover full box from the plan with me that I just posted. So you can check that out if you want to see me plan with this kit in my Erin Condren. But I collabed with Amanda, the owner, on this kit, and I picked out the artwork, and then she created the kit, and I just love it. And I love, again, she used a little hedgehog for her checklist, and I just think it's so cute. And then this one is, this is from Two Little Bees. This was on like a sheet that I had gotten from, like, I think a PBC sale in last year. So I had been holding on to it, and so I just decided to finally use it, and then I just pulled in all sorts of extras to go with the color scheme. And that's it. So I actually have 2 weeks left, but this week actually is represented in the quarter two, so I'm not sure if I'm going to fill it out in this one or I might just start with the quarter two. But I thought that what I would do now is just do a plan with me for this week here. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to be using this little, I guess it was a freebie that I got from Hello Petite Paper for one of her sales. I think it might have been for her anniversary sale last year. I'm not sure. I'm also going to be pulling in this really sweet foiled bunny washi from Simply Gilded. It's got a rose gold foil on it, and I believe this was in one of her monthly sub boxes. I just thought because it is Easter on Sunday that the bunnies were super appropriate. I did kind of go a little bit out of order here. I put the bunny washi on Sunday, and then I just used a label and some of the deco stickers that were on that freebie just to mark that it was Easter and that we would be spending the day at my mom's house. Now I'm going back up to Monday, and I'm using a leftover that I had from Bubba Bear just to mark that it was Coffee Monday. And here you can see I'm just pulling in a little asterisk that was a leftover from Little Miss Papery to mark down that I needed to do an Instagram post. I had done a collab with Amanda from Avalon and Ninth, and I wanted to make sure that I posted my final spread. And then I don't have a lot of leftover workout stickers. It's just not something because I use them so often. So I did just pull in this really adorable Bubblemon sticker to mark down that I did a cardio class that evening. I love this sticker because usually with Bubblemons you kind of only see their face or like their head, and I love that you see like the whole body on the treadmill, so it's super adorable. And I do have some coupon codes down below, including one for Bubblemon stickers if you're interested, so be sure to check that out. And then moving on to Tuesday, I used a leftover Hello Petite Paper heart scallop to mark down some to-dos, and I just used a glitter header that I had to just kind of top that off. And then this little symbol here is, it says BBS in the middle, placed a Bubba Bear order. And I just wanted to mark down, this was the first $2 Tuesday for Bubba Bear Studios, and I am more than slightly obsessed with Bubba Bear. So I wanted to make sure that I ordered her first $2 Tuesday sampler. And then that leftover grocery cart was from another Bubba Bear kit that I had used, and I just marked down that I needed to do some food shopping. And then on Wednesday, I used a sad Bubba Bear because I woke up sick, unfortunately. I then used a flag that came on the Hello Petite Paper sampler to mark down that I had a Hulu binge because I didn't really do a whole lot on Wednesday because I just was not feeling well. That pillow is, again, I think that is from the same Hello Petite Paper sampler. And then these little dots are leftovers from, they're from Hello Petite Paper, but they might be from one of her monthly kits. And you can see for my leftovers, I usually try to cut them out of like the larger sheets, and then I keep them in these acrylic drawers that I have on my desk. Let me know if you guys are interested to see how I keep my leftovers, like my functional leftovers and then my samplers and stuff, I can always do a video on that. I do have a video on my regular sticker sheet storage, so if you want to see that, just check through my previous videos. I also have a video on how I store my kits, but my leftovers and stuff are a little different, so let me know if you're interested. So on Thursday, again, I used the other half of that Hello Petite paper pink scallop checklist, again, to just mark down some do's, and that flag was from the sampler, and I just marked down that I had a haircut. And then on Friday and Saturday, I kind of just combined my to-do list because it was like the first day of spring break and Saturday, and I had a lot of things that I wanted to get done. So that is a leftover ombre heart checklist from a previous Hello Petite paper kit, as well as the same with the header. And then on Saturday, I just used a little, I'm like skipping all around here, sorry. I used a knife and fork, or spoon and fork rather, from a Bubba Bear kit to mark down that I had falafel with my youngest. It was so yummy. And Thursday, I did use a planner from that Hello Petite paper sampler, just to mark down that I did some ketchup. And then that adorable little like koala head paper clip is from a sampler from Sparkly Paper Co. And so I painted my dining room that day. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the picture. I absolutely love it now. It's so light and bright. And then again, I used, I don't know if it's not like really a quarter box, it's more like a third box to mark down that it was the first day of spring break. And then that heart is a leftover from Little Miss Paperie, and I was just marking down, my husband and my oldest were going down to the DC area for a few days. There was a grand opening of a new Athletic Republic in like the Maryland area, and they were going down there to support our fellow franchise owners. And now here I am, I'm just going back through and filling in a few little icons. I hope that you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future uploads.